guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Today, y'all know why I'm excited. I got my Boxycharm. I'm always excited to receive my boxes, y'all should know that. So let's go ahead and get off into the unboxing. I'm excited to see what's in the box. Let's see. I found a little thing to open it with. Okay, so I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna pick up stuff randomly and just, I want to be surprised. I want to be surprised. Okay, so this is the thing, Boxycharm All Access, and these are, well, I can't show you, but this is All Access, and on the back you have all the products and what it retails for, and I'm going to read it out to you, whichever one I pick up. What do I have first? Oh, I have some Dr. Brandt skincare. So this is the Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Cool. I hope you guys can see this. I don't know what's up with the settings on my camera. I don't know. Let's open it. Cool, cool. Nice size bottle. Cannot wait to try this. I just want to see how I feel. I'm going to try it on the back of my hand. Just see how I feel and smell and all that. Let's see. Oh, I put too much. It looks like a moisturizer. Have a nice clean smell to it. I need a mask on my hand, so why not? Oh wow, it feels so good. Y'all see my hand? You can say it's very moisturizing, so this would be amazing on the face. I'm gonna let this sit for a while. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like, oh wow. The mask, you don't rinse it off. It's a mask that you apply to your clean and dry skin before bedtime. So you put it on before bedtime and just let it, just keep it on there. So it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by a biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora. It has soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and common ingredients working in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration of your skin. Amazing. This retails for $52. Wow. Y'all remember these prices I'm telling y'all what it retail for, and you get this box with all these products in it for $21. Come on now. Okay, next item. Let's see. I got brushes. Love it. Okay, so this is the Moda Pro. So it's the 5-piece brush kit, and this retails for $27.95. So let's open it. See how the brushes feel. They're 100% vegan. 5-piece deluxe eye kit. So this is an eye kit. Okay, on the back it tells you what's all in there. I hope this is focusing for you guys. I'm sorry if it's not. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we have the shade brush, the 466 shade, 430 crease, detail, which is the 420 brush, and the 402 is the smudge brush, and the 498 is the line brush for the liner. Oh my gosh, let me open this. Wow. These brushes look amazing. I like the design of it. Pretty nice. And it feels, oh, it feels good. I love a good dense brush. It's dense and soft. Can't wait to try these. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so that's that. I told you that retails for $27.95. Okay, what's next? I'm gonna look. Let's see. Hank and Henry, Stick With It. Blickity Black Longwear Liquid Liner. Yeah, I got some liquid liner, y'all. So this is the bottle of Hank and Henry. And this eyeliner retails for $20. Let's open it. Y'all know I gotta open. I'm excited. This is the brush that's on it. A nice tip. It's not a felt tip, it's actually a brush. So if y'all can see that. Ooh, look at that. I cannot wait to try that. Yay. Next item. Oh, this looks so pretty. So this is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. So this is a baked gelato swirl illuminator. And that retails for $26. Look at that, that is so pretty. Oh yeah. Let's see. Of course, I gotta try some on. I have some on, but not much. But let me try this. What? Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow. Can't wait to try this. Well, I can't wait to wear it. I'm trying it now. Oh, wow. Ooh. And I'm just lightly applying it. Just think, if I just go all in, I'll be a golden goddess. Alright. I'll most definitely be using that on me and my clients. Okay. Last but not least, I feel a palette. Yay! So Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. So this retails for $29. Let's open it to see what's on the inside. Pretty colors. Y'all know I'm gonna swatch them, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first row, which is cream, sand, terracotta, gold, and emerald. So that's cream, sand, terracotta, gold, and emerald. Look at these colors. Beautiful. Okay, so now the second row. I'm going to swatch pink, dusty rose, plum berry, cinnamon, and black. So this is pink, dusty rose, plum berry, cinnamon, and black. Nice pigmented colors, and it's swatched on very smooth. So this palette is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to try this palette. Y'all know I'm excited. So that's it. That was in my box. Awesome items for just $21 a month. Y'all know I keep stressing it each and every time I do my unboxing video. Like, one of the products by itself retail for $52. Come on now. The products helps me out also because I'm a makeup artist and I do makeup on myself because I'm a YouTuber, so it helps me out a whole lot. So that $21 a month saves money. So if you guys are not already subscribed to this box, you guys need to go ahead and do it. I have the link down below. Click on that link. You will not be disappointed. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.